All right, Tesla fam, let's get straight to it, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to actually, turn off the rear seat reminder in your Tesla. So if you're getting these seatbelt reminders associated with rear seating position, you can actually disable that in your Tesla. So in your Tesla, guys, remember you can personalize your notifications just the way you like it. So follow along. I have added outlines to the top left of this video. You can check that out. So first things first, guys, you want to tap on the controls icon located at the bottom of your Tesla's main touchscreen. So this will actually take you to the main menu where you can access various settings. So once you're in controls, you want to tap on safety. And here you'll see a list of, safety related options for your Tesla, including options for alerts and reminders. So just scroll down until you see rear seat reminder. So to turn it off, simply tap on the toggle button next to it. And when the toggle turns gray, that means the rear seat reminder is off. It's literally that easy and simple, guys. So that's it, guys. So go ahead, hit that link in the description, guys, to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel so I can see you guys in the next video. Guys, check out the links in the description. Come on. Link in the description. Come on, guys.